Hello, I'm Charmaine Singleton, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful leaves for your hanging basket. This is a beginner friendly tutorial and we will start right away. To begin, first make a slip knot. Now insert your crochet hook in the slip knot and let's chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now in the first chain, make a slip stitch. In the second, make a single crochet. In the third, make a half double crochet. Now start decreasing once again. In the fourth, make a single crochet. In the fifth chain, make a slip stitch. Once again, make a slip stitch. Once again, make a slip stitch and then we will chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then leave the first chain and in the second chain, make a slip stitch. If you want your leaves more pointy, or else you can begin in the first chain. Now in the next chain, you make a single crochet and in the third chain you make a half double crochet. What we are doing is increasing and then decreasing. Then in the next chain you make a single crochet and then you make a slip stitch. Now join it to the other leaf and make a slip stitch. Now you chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Once again repeat the same process. Leave the first chain and in the second chain make a slip stitch. In the third one you make a single crochet. In the next you make a half double crochet. Then in the next you make a single crochet and then you make a slip stitch. Once again make a slip stitch. Now chain 6 and repeat the same process, and this way you can make your chain of leaves or string of leaves how long you want it. Once both leaves are together, make a slip stitch joining both the leaves together and repeat the same process. Chain 12 and start making the leaves once again. Leave the first chain and the second chain make a slip stitch. Then in the next make a single crochet. Then next you make a half double crochet. Then in the next chain make a single crochet followed by 2 slip stitches. You can try different shades of green. I hope you have enjoyed this beginner friendly tutorial. In case you have enjoyed this tutorial, consider to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day ahead and I will meet you in the next tutorial. Stay connected, happy crocheting and thanks for watching.